Hi guys, today let's learn about life cycle of snake. So let's start. Now I finished. Here is green color. Now we can take anything long thing. I got a spray bottle. Now I need this thing. We have to put this. Let's put this here, and this thing. Like we have to roll it. This thing let's dry. Now in 10 minutes let it dry. It's dry now. Now let's cut it. Let's start from here. Now let's stick the googly eyes. Let me tell you the life cycle of the snake. First, the mother snake will be lay egg, and the lay egg will be turned into a baby snake. Then the baby snake will turn into a big snake. Then lay egg, that snake will lay again. And that will continue. Hope you enjoy my video. Do subscribe and share it and like it. You can subscribe